Hey guys, so I'm back with another YouTube video. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded a YouTube video, but getting back into the rhythm of things. But I have been posting short little tutorials on my Instagram and my Facebook, so I will leave my @ here down over here and also in the description bar. But yeah, I just decided to create this little cranberry fall look. I am so ready for the winter and fall. I'm excited because I'm over this heat. But I didn't get to film my lip because battery kept dying, but I just used the L'Oreal LA palette lip cream matte highlight, and I used this color and this color, which is matte and matte 7 and matte 3. So they're called the same thing, but matte 7 and 3. And then I used my Revlon Color Stay lip liner in the shade Sienna Ochre. Yeah, but that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial and this look, and hope you create it because I'm definitely loving it, and I'm gonna wear it out in the fall because I like it. If you are new, hello, my name is Lexi. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join my little crew. Yeah, don't forget to check out my other videos down below and hit like and show some love. Bye guys. Hello ladies and any gentlemen watching. So I'm starting off this look with some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm just going to be placing this all around my T-zone area. Okay, so buffing out the concealer all over my eyelids. I'm going to be then taking the first shade Good Morning from Pixi. It's Judy Time palette. I am packing this shade all in my crease and blending that out, sort of like for our transition shade. Then taking Venetian Red from the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be packing that shade all over my lid and slowly building that up and buffing it out into my crease area. And I just take this shade slowly and build it up.
Space-time.
And I'm gonna kind of cut the crease in a little halo effect, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer for that. For that concealer, I'm using a Younique product in the shade Heartbroken. It's a little pigment eyeshadow. I love this color. It's so beautiful. And I'll be taking that Venetian red and using more of a precise brush to just carve out that cut crease and make it more defined. So taking a shade from my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette in Champagne Truffle and just highlighting my brow bones with this shade. Okay, so to highlight the inner corner, I'm taking the Smashbox Rosemantic Petal Metal Highlighter, just popping that in there. Then I will be tightlining my waterline with a jet black eyeliner, and the eyeliner is good. Then I'll be winging my liner out with the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black. And then to add mascara, I am taking my Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit. I'm just applying that. And for foundation, I'm taking my Maybelline New York Superstay multi-use foundation stick in classic Ivory 120. And I'm just going to apply that everywhere on my face and then take my large beauty blender and bounce that into the skin. On the track. Then applying some of my Rosebud Salve lip balm. And for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 Light. And applying that everywhere I want to highlight, under my eyes, nose, forehead, and chin, and on the sides of my mouth. And I'll just blend that out. The rest of this video goes pretty fast because my battery was dying, but to set my entire face, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10 Fair Light. Then I will be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Balance Foundation Combination Stick in the shade Coconut to contour. Bronze my skin, I'm using my Makeup Essentials Contour Kit. And then for blush, I will be taking my Smashbox Rosemantic Petal Metal Highlighter. And also to highlight, I'm using my Sephora Luminizing palette to highlight all my cheekbones, my nose, above my eyebrows, and my chin. Then I go back to Venetian red and just smoke out my lower lash line. And then that's the completed look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.